Since RMB Nigeria's inception in 2012, we have demonstrated our commitment to the Nigerian economy through innovative thinking and excellent client service. We are proud to celebrate 10 years as a leading Nigerian corporate and investment bank. Due to our dedication and drive as a team, we have grown steadily. We have been honored with several industry recognitions over the years, starting in 2015 when RMB was named Nigeria's Best Investment Bank by the West Africa Awards, the Deal of the Year Award by Business Day in 2016, and the FMDQ Member Compliance Award in 2020. In 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021, RMB was named the Business Day Best Merchant Bank in Nigeria, together with the Business Day Debt Arranger of the Year in 2019, 2020, and 2021. Additionally, in 2021, we were honored with the Corporate Finance Advisor Award, the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards for Outstanding Transformation by an African Transaction Bank for our digital platform. In 2022, the Association of Issuing Houses of Nigeria awarded RMB the Best M&A Deal and Best M&A House of the Year. In terms of recognition, in 2019, we ranked among the top 3 banks to facilitate capital inflows in Nigeria, with over $2.4 billion executed. We have been steadfast in our support of growth and investment in Nigeria and West Africa by focusing on economic and commercial development. Over the years, we have been involved in several landmark deals. Selected deals include construction and lease of the Ikeja City Mall in Lagos by RMB Westport, which is West Africa's largest retail complex, in 2011. Provision of funds for the ExxonMobil NNPC Joint Venture Reserve Development Program in 2012, offering a Naira term loan to African steel mills in 2013. In 2014, we confirmed an oil import documentary credit in favor of British Petroleum through First Rand, while also acting as an initial mandated lead arranger, book runner, and facility agent for Zenith Bank's first syndicated loan in 2015. We extended a trade and working capital facility to Nestle Nigeria plc in 2016 and granted a Naira term loan facility to Boa Sugar Refinery Limited in 2017. We delivered Naira-denominated trade and working capital facilities to Nigachem in 2018, Toyota in 2019, and GMT Limited in 2020. In 2021, we advised the Nigerian Exchange Group on its demutualization and successful listing on the main board of Nigeria Stock Exchange and assisted Dangote Industries Limited in a historic corporate bond offering. We also closed lending deals of $300 million to the Nigerian Ministry of Finance, $65 million to Indorama, and 16 billion naira to IHS, which is the largest single transaction disbursement by RMBN. Notable trade lines availed include 12 billion naira to Dangote Sugar Refinery and 8 billion naira to the Indorama Group. Recently, we acted as global coordinator and book runner on Bank of Industry's inaugural 700 million euros Eurobond, advised on the listing by introduction of Boa Foods and the merger of 5 Boa Food businesses. It is important to highlight our liquidity management solutions to the CBN since 2014 by way of FX swaps, which has grown over time to a $400 million portfolio. To better serve our clients and improve our offerings, bolt-on solutions and subsidiaries such as transactional banking, custody, RMBN stockbrokers, and RMBN asset management have been added to our ecosystem. We launched RMB Digital in 2019, expanded the team and saw 36% revenue growth and 450% increase in transaction volumes. In the same year, we established fintech partnerships, introduced corporate SWIFT payments, and launched host-to-host solution. In 2020, the bank introduced its first collection solution, onboarded additional payment and collection gateways. Average deposits increased by 12% to 38.2 billion in 2022. Currently, we process an average of 26 billion naira transaction volumes monthly. Since the launch of our custody offering in 2019, assets under custody have increased in multiple folds over the years, peaking at over 400 billion naira in 2022. RMBN stockbrokers have steadily increased its turnover since 2016, accounting for 1.19 and 1.21% of Nigeria's total exchange turnover in 2020 and 2021. Our asset management business is positioning to be a fund solution provider of choice and will create and offer mutual funds, linked notes, indexed funds, and other bespoke solutions, expanding our value proposition in the Nigerian financial market. Our new branch in Abuja, Nigeria, has also expanded our service footprint. Rand Merchant Bank Nigeria's PBT, assets and revenues have all grown significantly over the years from inception in 2012 till date. Our continued success, if attributed to the extraordinary devotion of our clientele, which we have earned by our commitment to offering only the best products and services. Our profit before tax increased from 1.4 billion naira, that is $3.48 million in 2012, to 13.09 billion naira, that is $30.8 million as of December 31st, 2021. Within this period, total revenue grew 33% CAGR from 1.52 billion naira, that is $3.59 million, to 20.4 billion naira, which is $48.13 million by the end of 2021. Total assets grew significantly from 16.17 billion naira, which is $39.42 million in 2012, to 189.45 billion naira, which is $446.88 million as of 31st December 2021. Supporting the communities in which we operate is a fundamental part of our core values. We have been actively involved in CSR initiatives such as the refurbishment of Anti-Ayo Secondary School laboratories, the Graduate Artist Program, and donations to several NGOs. We donated 100 million naira to the CACOVID initiative during the COVID pandemic. We've hosted breakfast meetings, webinars, and activities over the years to provide thought leadership, strengthen client relationship, and drive deeper client engagements. Starting with 12 determined individuals 10 years ago, we have grown organically to a team with 100+ strong workforce driven through a combination of our young talent pipelines, the RMBN Graduate and Count CA programs, together with talented, experienced individuals who are brave enough to join us on this journey. Our strong solutionist thinking and entrepreneurial culture continues to foster our growth, as recognized by the Great Place to Work recognition in 2019. Congratulations to our visionary leader, Michael Larbi, our CEO and Managing Director, whose passion and commitment enabled the growth of RMBN into one of Nigeria's leading financial institutions. Michael Larbi is an inspirational and dedicated mentor. He has been instrumental in RMBN's rise to prominence as an important player in the financial services sector, as well as RMBN's overall success and expansion. We thank him for his 10 years of service as a leader, visionary, and zealous advocate for RMBN's clients and solutionist thinking, both internally and externally. We would like to express our appreciation to you, Michael Larbi, and wish you the best in your future endeavors. We thank all current and former employees for your professionalism, diligence, and hard work. You are RMB solutionist thinkers, and RMBN regards you as such, now and always.